largest in the world. The ocean is a place it calls home. It makes a gigantic wave, and its name is a whale. It is so huge, but the food it eats is small. It breathes like a human. What's its name? It's a whale. It sings a song to the seas. All the seas are its dwelling. Its heart is as big as a tree. What's its name? It's a whale. What's its name? It is a whale.
When you're with a friend, you dream so many things. Sometimes you run and you play so joyfully. Sometimes you read a book, look at clouds and dream. You run to help her if she has a problem. She is the one who understands me, my cute sweet friend, my very best friend. When you're with a friend, a very best friend, love them always.
Turn around, don't stop, jump. Collect lights from the stars above. Let those stars brighten up the skies. There are endless places to wander, so many things to see. Don't stop, wander the endless skies. Come on, come join us and learn. Join us today. Turn around, don't stop, just jump. Come and learn, join us today. I wish all the places were clean. Wish our world would be clean. How great that would be. We shouldn't make our world dirty. Forests, animals, seas, people, they are so beautiful. Just imagine living in a fresh, clean world together. How nice is life together when our earth is clean. The flowers are lovely on the trees and the birds too. All we want is the whole world to be happy and clean. We should never make our beautiful world dirty again.
Much joy.
Today I found a new friend, it's a turtle. He's a bit slow, but don't mind him, he still gets around fine. He walks around the grass all day, walks around the yard. Takes a nap if he's tired, having his house on his back. Oh, my turtle walks around the grass all day, walks around the yard. Oh, oh, my turtle. Wherever he goes, he's got his house on his back. Oh, my turtle.
Somewhere very far, Minnie, Nanny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with